Shine.
Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be making a concrete ring for a fire pit, and the first thing we're going to have to do is cut out a ring out of a piece of plywood. So I used my jigsaw and I cut it out, then I spray painted it onto the ground. And I dug out all around and dug around all the lines and then started digging out in between. I knew I would be able to pour concrete into this and use it as a mold. And then I took that ring that I had just cut out and I threw it down into the hole. After I had that down in the hole, I backfilled it a little bit, and then I grabbed some Quikrete 5000, 3000, I think it's 5000. I mixed it around, got a little mushy, and I went over to pour it in, and I realized that I was going to need a lot more bags than I thought. This was originally going to be 3 rings, but I decided it had to be 1 ring because I can't afford to buy all that concrete. That's a lot of fucking concrete. So I dug it out of the ground, I flipped it over onto this piece of plywood, used my tractor, drove it over to the spot it was going to go, then I washed it all off, and I really fucking hated the way it looked, so I decided I would bury it in the ground and make it a ground level fire pit. I'm actually really happy with the way this came out, even though I thought I fucking hated it at first. It came out pretty cool, and I'm happy to have a spot in my yard where it's a campsite that I can hang out with my family and my friends and have a couple drinks. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye. See you again. And have a good dream.